welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is 3:30, so we're starting this day pretty late, but I'm finally caught up on orders, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making some gifts that I have to make. The first thing I'm gonna make is, I have this pattern for like a Sam plushie from Trick or Treat, and I'm making that for my friend for Christmas, so I'm gonna get started on that, and hopefully I have enough yarn. I do have some more that I'm expecting, but I don't know if it's gonna come in time for Christmas, but we'll see. Hopefully it does. The first order shipped that I ordered from Premier, and this one I ordered like 4 days after, so I'm hoping it comes in time, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm just watching some crochet vlogs, and I'm gonna start crocheting.
Good thing I don't care about the box.
I got a white cone of...
Because I got this Mary Jane. Look how damaged the box is.
I only have one white cone.
I don't know how you're sitting here.
Did you buy that for you?
Yeah.
So I just bought another
well,
one.
for
while I was at
my
Walmart.
mom to give me for Christmas.
Lastly,
Oh, okay.
I bought the
But see, it's Mary Jane,
anti-pillow
and she
silk
says
yarn.
her famous line that she said in the
Bought it
comment,
in
face it
black
tiger, you
because
said the jackpot.
This works up
And see, she's
really,
got like a little
really good
bubble.
on the knitting machines.
I know, I
needed
thought it was
gray
cool.
Because I was going to make more of the half black.
Question every week.
I could put pictures in.
Okay, we're making some good progress. It is almost 4:30, but we got most of the legs done. This is going to be a pretty big plushie because I'm using Parfait XL, and I think the pattern called for burnout blanket, so a little bit thinner. This is definitely thick yarn, but I wanted this to be kind of big, so yep, we're just gonna keep on crocheting. Alright guys, we're about to head over to my friend's house, so I'm putting a pause on Sam for now. I did pack my yarn bag, obviously, but I packed some yarn to make little like Christmas trees because I have to make some for my family, so I'm gonna be working on that. I just didn't feel like bringing all this bulky yarn and stuffing and eyeballs. Seems like a lot, so I just brought some regular yarn to do some crocheting if I have time. I don't know what we're doing tonight, so we'll see, but usually me and Stephanie crochet. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so we hung out at my friend's last night, had some pizza, and I did a little bit of crocheting. I started in another tree because my family members want some, so I'm starting another one here. Yeah, it's like noon now, the next day. I'm gonna do some more crocheting today. I just did a little bit of small business work with spreadsheeting and trying to plan our craft fairs for next year, so I did a little bit of that, and now I'm gonna work on crocheting more gifts for Christmas. I do need to upload today's Vlogmas video, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that yet or not. I should just get it out of the way, but we'll see. Hey guys, it's almost 2 o'clock now. I just got my Vlogmas video uploaded and I've made this much progress on the tree. I don't know if you can actually tell, but yeah, I've just been crocheting this and watching some YouTube videos. Then I took a little break to edit my video really quick and get that uploaded. Yeah, I might take a break from this tree for a little bit to crochet Sam some more, but we'll see how I feel about that. Yeah, I don't know how much more I have for this tree, but maybe we could finish it. We'll see. I just made myself some pizza rolls for lunch. Gonna snack a bit. I did a couple more rows of the Christmas tree. I actually have a lot left on this. yeah, there's like, I'm only halfway done. So that's fun because I'm making the large size. So we'll see if I feel like continuing that or if I want to work on something else. But I don't know. I kind of don't like having multiple projects in the works, but somehow that always happens. I just got a notification that my Premier yarn order is finally coming. I'm kind of sad that it didn't come before my craft fair because I had some more Christmas yarn that I ordered, but oh well. But I'm excited it's coming now, so it should be here in the next few days so I can finish making some little things I want to make. Thought I was going to run out of yarn because I only had that much left and I still have a lot left of the tree, but luckily I have another skein of this yarn, so woohoo! I'm almost done with my Christmas tree that I was making. I just got to make the bottom part now. I'm finished with the top, so should be done in the next few minutes. It is 11 a.m. right now. I was just working on this a bit, watching some YouTube videos, doing some more like craft fair research and stuff this morning. But now I'm going to go ahead and finish this tree so we can move on to making some other Christmas gift ideas. I want to finish making Sam, I think, just because I started that. And then I do need to make a dinosaur for this Operation Santa thing I did. So I want to make that. Yeah. But I'm just going to keep finishing up this tree. I still have to make a few more trees, but I'm going to take a break from tree making and to finish like Sam, just because I feel like blanket yarn works up a bit faster. Also, I think my extra yarn is coming tomorrow, so I should be able to finish these other Christmas gifts that I have in the works that I ran out of yarn for. But yeah. Yeah, I want to just finish all these Christmas gifts because like we currently don't have any orders other than Ryan's thing, but I want to finish these Christmas gifts, work on Ryan's dragon, and then I want to like start making some more products for like next year. I want to make some book sleeves and bookmarks and stuff just to release, and I also want to do like felt eyes. I don't know, there's a lot of different like things I want to make for the website. So yeah, I'm just starting to already think about like next year and like things I want to release and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this Christmas tree really fast, and then we'll see what I feel like doing after that. Welcome back to my car. It is super sunny out here. I'm going to Joann's because I'm running out of stuffing, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go pick up lunch for me and my husband, and then I'll get home and finish that Christmas tree. I have like 4 more rounds left, so yeah. But I'm going to go to Joann's and grab some stuffing, probably look around and see what other yarn they have, and yeah, let's go. So Joann's was successful. I got the 10-pound box of polyfill and I got some yarn. I would have got the 25 or the 20-pound box, but like that one's always like $99 and they were like 30% off, which isn't that good of a sale, and so I couldn't use my coupon on it, and they didn't have like any other coupons that you could use off a sale thing, so I just got the 10-pound box. It was a little bit cheaper. I usually get the 5-pound box because that's like what, $25 or something. I think this was like $40, $50 or something. I don't know, I have to look at the receipt, but I got like $15 off whatever the price was. So I don't know, they didn't really have signs or anything around, so I don't know how much on sale it was, but I wish I would have bought it on Black Friday because they were like 60% off or something. But I was like, oh, I still have like a whole box, I don't need it, but I should have bought it anyway because I ran out now. But oh well, I got that. I also got some yarn that I'll show you once we stop driving. They had some sales on yarn, so that was nice. I found that Juicy Couture yarn for like $4.99. I don't know how much it is originally, but found that. And I also got some more Burnette Velvet yarn because I've been using that to make scrunchies. Like, I randomly just started making scrunchies at my craft fair the other day, and I like it, so I bought some more velvet yarn for that. But now I'm heading to Jimmy John's because I want to get my dad a gift card for Christmas, and I'm just going to get lunch for me and Kevin. So that is what we're doing now. Hey guys, I'm back. So let me show you the yarn that I got. Okay, so yeah, the yarn was originally $9.99 and it was on sale for $4.99. And then the that was the Juicy Couture, and then the Burnette Velvet was buy 2 get 1 free. So I bought 3 of those. And then my polyfill was like 25% off, so probably should have waited till it wasn't on sale, but I really needed it because I had like none left. So anyway, I ended up getting 2 of the Juicy Couture colors because I see people talking about these and they were on sale and they're super cute, and I thought they'd be fun for scrunchies. So I got this red color. It says it's the color Fire, but I thought that was fun and bright. I mean, I guess it's like past Christmas season, but this might be cute for like Valentine's Day or something. And then I got this one, and the color is called Free Love. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like little flecks of glitter in it, and it just like gave me, this one just gave me like Barbie vibes. So I want to make some scrunchies with that. I think it'll be cute. And then the next ones that I bought were all just Burnette Velvet. So I got this pretty like green color. This is the color Pine. Looks like that. And then I just got a standard black color. This is called Blackbird. So I just figured that would be a nice little neutral for scrunchies. And then I also got this pinkish color, and this one is just called Quiet Pink. It looks like that. And I thought, you know, this might be a cute little set or something, like Valentine's Day set. That might be cute. But yeah, that's all that I got yarn wise. And then I got my 10-pound box of polyfill so that I can keep making plushies for the holidays. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just finish up this tree I was making. I only have like a few more rounds to close it up, and then I'll be done with that. And then I'll move on to some other stuff. The giant tree is done. The large size takes forever. I swear I've been working on this for like 3 days. But it's super cute when it's all finished. I want to make a medium and a small to finish this set, but I think I'm going to take a little break on trees for now. And I'm going to work on this Sam plushie, I think. Hey guys, so I decided to work on the dinosaur. So we got his body done, just gotta make the arms, legs, and tail. But I made it in like this green color and it looks so cute. I love making these little dinos, they're adorable. So I'm gonna finish that up and we'll see where we're at. I'm forever in love with these little T-Rex plushies. They're so chubby and cute. Oh, just look at him. I made it with like a mint green and a dark green. And then he's got some glitter green eyes, but he's so cute. This is going to my little This is going to some random kid somewhere for Christmas. So yeah. I'm glad I finished that so I can ship that out because I think I need to ship it by the 18th. So you gotta get this shipped out. But yeah, so cute. I made this and then I got a couple other little coloring books and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that'll be cute because the kids said they like the color green and they like dinosaurs, so I made them green dinosaur. So cute. I just want to make like these in every color of the rainbow. And this is only the second one I've ever made. I made a blue one like forever ago and that one hasn't sold. Like, it's been on my website and like every craft fair and no one's bought it. And these are adorable. Like, I don't understand. They're so cute. Buy them. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and go back to crocheting Sam over here. It keeps growing. Like, it got so tall and it's still going. They really vacuum seal this stuff in there, man. That's crazy.